OSHA, personal, protective, equipment, basic, PPE, safety quiz. Question: who is directly responsible for storing, cleaning, and maintaining PPE? A. Employers. B. Employees. C. Safety staff. D. Supervisors. Question: which of the following PPE items must the employer pay for? A. Hairnets. B. Rubber boots and parkas. C. Goggles and face shields. D. Normal work boots. Question: safety belts may not be used. A. As part of a personal fall arrest system, PFAS. B. As part of a positioning system. C. As a reminder to lift properly. D. To maintain proper posture. Question: what should you do to determine the best PPE for the job? A. Use good common sense. B. Ask the employee doing the job. C. Conduct a hazard assessment. D. Find out what others have been wearing. Question: which PPE training topic is missing from OSHA criteria, but should be a part of every training presentation? A. When PPE is necessary. B. What PPE is necessary? C. Limitations of the PPE. D. Why PPE is necessary. Question: which type of goggles provides protection similar to spectacles and may be worn in combination with spectacles or corrective lenses to ensure protection and proper vision? A. Chipper and grinder goggles. B. Single lens goggles. C. Vinyl framed goggles. D. Welder's goggles. Question: welding shields protect the welder from which of the following injuries? A. Long-term chemical absorption. B. Fogging of spectacles. C. Vision fatigue. D. Burns to the retina. Question: which type of respirator removes contaminants from the ambient air? A. Air purifying respirators. B. Tight-fitting respirator. C. Loose-fitting respirator. D. Atmosphere-supplying respirator. Question: which respirator requires more laboured breathing? A. Non-powered air purifying respirator. B. Powered air purifying respirator. C. Supplied air respirator. D. Loose-fitting mask. Which respirator will provide a positive pressure air supply over a longer period of time? A. Non-powered air purifying respirator, NPAPR. B. Powered air purifying respirator, PAPR. C. Supplied air respirator, SAR. D. Self-contained breathing apparatus, SCBA. Question: when is a protective helmet required to be worn in the workplace? A. When there is a potential for falls to a lower level. B. When there is a hazard from electrical contact or falling objects. C. When there is a danger of being caught in or between objects. D. When there is a possibility of being crushed. Question: which class of safety helmet has been proof tested to 20,000 volts? A. Class G, General. B. Class E, Electrical. C. Class C, Conductive. D. Class B, Bump caps. Question: what kind of gloves would you wear if you had to come into contact with very sharp cutting tools? A. Aluminized gloves. B. Disposable gloves. C. Metal mesh gloves. D. Leather gloves. Question: what term is used to describe the length of time it takes a glove material to become saturated by the chemical through absorption? A. Permeation rate. B. Breakthrough rate. C. Penetration rate. D. Saturation rate. Question: which type of glove has low cost, excellent physical properties, and dexterity? A. Norfoil. B. Butyl. C. Neoprene. D. Nitrile. Question: affected employees must use protective footwear in areas where there is a danger of foot injuries due to any of the following, except A. Piercing objects. B. Moisture or humidity. C. Falling or rolling objects. D. Exposure to electrical hazards. Question: which of the following is a category of insulating protective equipment, IPE? A. Safety shoes. B. Rubber blankets. C. Hard hats. D. Gloves. Question: 1. In addition to inspecting insulating gloves, the inspector must A. Check the gloves for bubbles with soap and water. B. Ensure the gloves pass a temperature test. C. Send the gloves to a lab within 30 days. D. Give gloves an air test. Question: when must your employer establish a hearing conservation program? A. If employees are subject to sudden impact noise or prolonged noise levels. B. If employees are exposed to noise levels that are equal to or greater than 85 dBA over 8 hours. C. If anticipated noise levels exceed reasonably expected or anticipated levels. D. If noise levels exceed 95 dB over any 15-minute period. Question: which of the following hearing protection devices are generally more comfortable, but provide less noise reduction? A. Self-mold earplugs. B. Earmuffs. C. Custom mold earplugs. D. Earmuffs.